Welcome everybody. We're here today to provide you with a snapshot of a trial for focal segmental glomerulosclerosis called FIRSTx. My name is Diane Cherkasky. I'm a kidney specialist here in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, home of the Philadelphia Eagles winner of the Super Bowl. And I have been working on CXA10 for almost 7 years. It has been the joy of my life. The reason why I'm excited about this compound, we have not had many drugs in kidney disease for many years, and I think it's long overdue.
My name is Dr. Catherine Tuttle, and I'm greeting you from the other end of the country. I'm in Spokane, Washington, where I am a professor of medicine at the University of Washington, and I'm also executive director for research at Providence Healthcare. I too have been a nephrologist or a kidney specialist for many years. And FSGS remains one of the great unmet needs among patients with kidney disease.
My name is Chelsea Fix. I work here at Nephcare Kidney International, also in the Philadelphia area. And I'm here today to ask questions on behalf of our patients, our primary nephrotic syndrome and our FSGS patients, about the FIRSTx clinical trial and about CXA10.
Focal segmental glomerulosclerosis, also known as FSGS, is one of the most serious kidney diseases that we treat. People become very sick from nephrotic syndrome, and we have no options really other than prednisone and a few other more anecdotal therapies, none of which are directly related to the mechanism of disease and have very serious side effects, so that patients suffer greatly with this condition. And there's a huge unmet need to have therapies that are going to be more effective and safer. And the way we get there is by targeting therapies to the underlying cause.
Diane, can you tell us about CXA10 and how it works?
Sure. CXA10 reduces proteinuria. We have seen the beneficial effects in many animal models that we've tested. It does so by 3 mechanisms. The first is to stop the inflammation. The second is to repair the tissue that has been damaged. And thirdly, to stop this scarring that, if it continues, will result in kidney failure.
What we're looking for in the FIRSTx trial of CXA10 will be newly diagnosed patients with focal segmental glomerulosclerosis, or FSGS, who are looking for an alternative to traditional therapies, particularly people who are looking to avoid taking prednisone. And at least for this first study, it will be limited to adults 18 years and older.
There is no cost to participate in the trial. Everything is paid for throughout the course of the trial, and the medication is provided to you with no charge.
And there isn't a lot of outreach within the professional community to make doctors, and in particular for FSGS, nephrologists aware of clinical trials, including this one. And we really do have a move afoot to get more of our patients on studies, because this is the only way we're going to do better for FSGS and many important health conditions. That said, busy doctors don't always know what's going on in real time. And that's where, as patients, we encourage you to be activated, to gather information, and when you have that meeting with your nephrologist to talk about treatment options, to bring up the idea of a clinical trial.
We have some 20 sites scattered across the United States, across all regions. I would recommend that you go to the FIRSTx website. You can actually see what those sites are. You can actually contact them directly and reach out to them about the potential for travel assistance should it be needed. So in closing, I would like to just note that this is an unprecedented partnership between patients like you, Nephcure, academic and community clinics that are coming together to actually provide a solution for focal segmental glomerulosclerosis.
Patients that want to learn more can visit the FIRSTx trial website at firstx-trial.com, and they can call people involved with the FIRSTx trial by calling 844-618-2479.